Hello everyone. In this lesson, we are going to learn how robots can be used to explore mathematics concepts with children between 8 and 10 years old. As we have seen in the previous session, materialization in mathematics teaching eases the learning process. And robots can help us design concrete and effective mathematics problems for children that will attract their attention and reduce maths anxiety. In this age range, on the basis of problem-based learning, starting with unplugged activities and then continuing with plugged activities is suggested by many subject matter experts. In this session, we will see how students can explore, analyze and evaluate a set of activities based on a problem-based approach. The learning activity includes the best strategies to care for a vegetable garden, such as designing, planting and watering it with MBOT robot. Based on this proposal, students will reflect on the potential of robotics and real-life scenarios for learning mathematical topics such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, natural numbers and non-negative rational numbers, measurement or geometric shapes, geometric and numerical regularities, and design possible didactic approaches. In this proposal, students work on tasks of different natures, plugged and unplugged, starting the work with unplugged tasks. This task leads the children to compose and decompose plane figures in a logic of paving a space that serves as a basis for the creation of the vegetable garden and gives the opportunity to identify and compare the properties of geometric figures chosen for each space. It's also a proposal that can lead to the use of basic facts of operations in calculation situations and to the understanding of properties of operations by counting the number of vegetables that can be planted in each space, using number compositions and decompositions. Children can also find out the cost of planting each plant and, according to vegetable garden, estimate the profit that can be made by selling the plants over a period of time. Children calculate the areas and the perimeter of geometric figures that represents each of the sections and can do so directly using the unit of area measurement of the grid, as in the example, by decomposing polygons and their area measure relationships, or by applying the area expression if known. With this problem, children define points on the perimeter of each region to measure the relative humidity of the soil and program the MBOT robot in MBlox software to move around and do the measures. For this session, the learning outcomes are to explore problem-based learning as a way to work with robotics and deal with maths anxiety, to understand the importance of working with unplugged and plugged activities to promote computational thinking, to pinpoint maths curricular subjects, to design teaching learning activities with robots, to explore and recognize the use of robots to foster learning about location and orientation in space, geometric figures, distance and length, and arithmetic operations, to reflect on the different didactic approaches to work with robots with children aged 8 to 10 years old. For more information, you can visit our project website www.mindmaths.org and see the output section to reach various topics regarding the use of robotics and other technologies in primary school mathematics lessons.